Yeah, hello.
Waiting here.
So, welcome back again. But is my bug?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, that's perfect. So now, here in this sessions, I'm going to tell you about psychology of trading, fear, and rates. Okay. So I hope in the rest of all topics you understand.
Yeah.
Do you have any doubts related to previous topics?
No?
Everything is okay?
You?
Okay. Yes. Okay, good. So now I'm going to tell you in these sessions about trading's psychology. So this all already happens with me in my uh tradings in my past. So in trading psychology, there's something you need to pay attention before entering trades. So the first one is don't trade with emotions. Okay, I think you know about this because most of the people they trades with their emotions. There could be some reason behind that. So before entry, you have to check your emotions. So don't trade forcefully. Okay,
Yeah.
because in my past I always interacted with my emotions because after stop loss hits 1, 2, or 3, then I forcefully try to find entry. Okay, will never do that because in tradings you have to accept your losses also. Okay, now the second one is don't trade without any plan. So that's the reason I told you you have to make your tradings plan because trade plan is also very important. So I hope you already make your trading plan.
Yes, I started with my trading journal and every day before I start, I make a trading plan for the day.
Okay, that's good because this habit is very important. It means you are psychologically prepared. If you have no plans, then make plans. So now you already make your plan. So that's very good because most of the people they know their strategy, but they directly applying the trades without making trading plans. So this is very huge mistakes. Now the third one is set your stop loss and TP before enter trades. Okay, because most of the traders they don't set their stop loss and TP. They directly enter trades, and you also need to set your break evens if you want to set, and if you don't want to set, as it's depend on you. Okay, because most of the trader they set break evens, and most of the trader they don't set break evens. Only they set a stop loss and targets. That's it. Okay. So with the help of risk management, you always uh, stay in the markets. Before entry, you need to set your risk reward ratio maximum 1:3 and minimum 1:2. Okay.
Yeah.
And the fourth one is never affect your upcoming trades from your past.
Never, never. I didn't get the last one.
Yeah, not so. Most of the trader after the stop loss hit, so they expect from the markets in whenever I get next trade, so I always gains. So never expect from the markets. Sometimes markets gives you a loss again and again. So you have to prepare for that. Okay. And never expect from the market. You have to have trades. It's no emotions. Okay. Because market plays always with your emotions. So you have to prepare for that. And always prepare for 100% setups whenever the setup is comes, which makes daily weekly, then confirm the 4 hours after confirmation of trends. Then you should draw your trend line and draw your proper structures. And with the help of that, you need to draw your Fibonacci, and then you should entry whenever ATM is crossing. Okay, so you have to wait for the proper setup, then you should entry. Is it clear? So now after this, it's time to execution the strategy. So before entry, rechecks everything, and after entry, your long position or short positions, it should feel fear about when its stop losses hits and excitement when a profit is running. So then no entry. If you are already entry, so immediately take profits. So if you feel like this, it's highly chances to lose. And if your stop loss is hit, then you need to accept the losses also in these tradings because it's a very normal things in a life of traders. And also entry, before entry you have to check your lot size because most of the trader they thinks I set big lots and then after that I take profit immediately, and the result is they lose. Okay, you have to also calculate your lot size before entry. And now after entry, now it's time to check your emotions after both positions. This is also very important. So never think about revenge from your trades. Well, suppose here today your stop loss is hit, so never revenge from your next trades. Okay, so you have to wait for the proper setups, then you should entry. Okay, and never think about if I hold little bit here, like here most other traders, they entry. You should entry at this 50%, and this is your fixed stop loss, and here this is your target. So most of the trader, most of the times, price going directly above minus 27%. So never increase your targets, okay? Because here your target is fixed minus 27%. Most of the trader they thinks I said little bit above minus 27%, so I gain more profit. So never do that, okay? And also never increase your stop loss because most of the trader they think after our stop loss is hit, then price is going to the target. So never think about this. Okay, this is your pick, your stop loss because here is your risk management: 1% risk and 2% reward. Okay, and check your list of your trading plans. It doesn't matter you get profit or loss. So after close questions, think about it. Have you followed your rules? And have you follow your strategy and your answer is yes, then in long term you become profitable. Okay, this is a simple things you have to remind in your minds before entry. So so this is all about psychology of tradings. Okay, and now it's time to find our upcoming picks. Okay, you already entry or not in our pairs when the price is retest.
Yes.
In which pair you entry?
I entered in gold when it retested.
In gold. You are telling about this. You are telling about this.
I entered at 450.
450 where?
450.
4.
4450.
It's right here. Okay. So you entry at this 50%. Almost this levels, I think. Okay.
Is it
That
a good
yeah,
good entry or no?
yeah, it's good because here price makes at this bullish one. So you have to intertrade between these levels here or 50% or 61% or between these levels. Okay, this is good because here also our ATM is crossing downside for the retest. And after that, here the bullish candle is made. So here is breaks. Now after that, he should entry. So this is correct. Okay, and here after you just wait for the price makes next higher low. Okay, when I hear ATM is crossing downside. After that, whenever it breaks, then you should entry. After draw structures, then draw your Fibonacci. Okay. Now, whenever you find your upcoming trades, so in daily you have to check your trends. So you have to always check your trend from just previous candles. Okay. In daily, not this current candles because suddenly it makes bearish or bullish. So you have to confirm your trend from this previous one. So here in previous, here also our ATM is crossing upside. It's uptrends. And in weekly you have to confirm from just previous candle right here. So here also ATM about the spotting EMA. It means both are uptrends. Then you should analyze in 4 hour. Okay. So you have to analyze like this on all pairs. Okay.
Yes.
Like here, if you see here in Euro USD, this is our downtrends from according to just previous candles. Okay. If you see here weekly from just previous candles, here our trend is up. You see here ATM are crossing upside. It means both are different. Weekly is up and here daily is down. It means here in this place you don't need to analyze. So that's the reason here I mark here in this all red curves because here the trends daily weekly is same but here both are different. So that's the reason I did not color here. Okay. Then with the help of this you should find your entries. Okay. And when your stop loss is hits, then on that case, you don't need to entry. You have to wait for the proper ABCD pattern. Okay.
Understood.
When your stop loss is hits, then on that day, you don't need to re-entry against. Okay. You just wait for the proper next ABCD patterns. Wait, I will show you here which pairs our stop loss is hit. Yeah, it's right here. Most. Yeah, this is good one. So here you understand how I draw my Fibonacci.
Yes. From the bottom.
If you see here, according to ABCD patterns, So this one is our A here, and this one is our B right here. And here this is our C because here ATM is crossing downside. Okay. Then I shift my Fibonacci from A to B levels right here because here it's crossing upside. And then you should make sure here it's ATM crossing upside. So here it's crossing upside at this bullish one right here. So here the candle is made. Here price makes price when the price is completely made, then you should entry. Okay, in 4 hours when the candle is completely made. So here your entry will be at this 50% right here. At this 50%. And your stop loss is 88%. And this is your target is minus 27%. So here your stop loss is hit. Here you see prices, your entry directly price. Here your stop loss is hit. So in that case, here you don't need to entry. You just need to draw your rectangles here. Here the prices change their directions. But you need to draw your box 200% right here. So now here is considered here price is going sideways because we don't know future. Sometimes here ATM is crossing downside again and again it's crossing upside and again ATM is crossing downside. So here you need to draw this box whenever here price change their direction. It is start from here and then in your box at this 100% of the Fibonacci. And now you just wait for the proper ABCD patterns. Okay. So whenever it breaks this level, then you should entry. Okay. So here you see it breaks this area right here. And now after that, you just ready for entry.
Bye-bye.
So I hope in 1 month you become profitable with the help of this strategy.
Thank you. I hope so too.
Okay. Have a good day. Now, in future, whenever you have doubts, then easily text me. I will give you answers.
I will do. Thank you, bro.